Carnivalista Lifestyle Solo Travel Affirmations. I am worthy of joy, adventure, and new experiences. I am capable of navigating the world on my own terms. I feel confident, safe, and grounded wherever I go. I release fear and welcome freedom, discovery, and growth. I trust myself to handle any challenge that comes my way. Every step I take on this journey strengthens my independence. Traveling solo is not lonely, it's empowering. The world is full of kindness, and I attract helpful people wherever I travel. I deserve this time to explore, rest, and reconnect with myself. My intuition is strong, and I trust it to guide me safely.